Hi everyone, this is Chris Moralia and this is iCanvas, Canvas Tech Tips for Students. Today we are going to be talking about setting up notifications on Canvas. Step one, we want to download the Canvas app. So you do this whether you're using an Android and or Apple device. Step two, you're going to go to Canvas in your browser, whether you're using a Chromebook, whatever computer you're using. And then we are going to go to step three, where you are going to access settings. This is going to change how you are going to be notified. Step four, you are going to add a contact method. So you already have your Canvas account set up on your SAUSD Learns, and now you want to add a contact method, and that you would find right here. And we're going to see how that works in a few minutes. Step five, you're going to click on notifications, and this is where you are going to determine when you are going to be notified on your various assignments. So each one of these calendars and our bells, a bell means immediate notification, a calendar means a weekly notification, and a date on a calendar is showing a daily notification. So this is how you're going to receive notifications on your device and email. So what does this all look like? First of all, we want to, when we're in our browser, once we've logged onto our browser, we see our name. We want to go to settings. So step one, we are now in step two. We are going to change our contact method. So here is where you are going to put in your cell phone number, you select your carrier, and your email that's used to set up the account. That will now allow your notifications to be pushed out to Canvas, to you. Next, we are going to go to notifications. This is where, once again, as we saw, you can change, and you would see your phone over here. Mine is not showing up, but that's where you'd find it. And this is how you change your summaries. If it is a weekly summary, this is the icon you see. Immediate summary is the icon you see. So, for example, you want to be notified about grading policies or grades or assignments, any course announcements. You should always have that set for immediately. That tells you what's going on in any of your Canvas courses. And these any assignments that are related to discussions, anything else you might have to add, appointments, etc., etc. So each one of these icons is either a daily, weekly, or immediate announcement. And that's all we have for these tech tips. If you want to find more information, simply go to the Canvas community by typing in Google, setting up Canvas notifications in Canvas, student notifications in Canvas, and you'll see this page here. It'll give you a very detailed rundown of how to get your notifications set up.